Aries, 26th October 2024. Love, today, you'll feel the need for adventure in your romantic life. Plan something exciting with your partner, or if you are single, take a chance on someone new who sparks your interest. Career, new ideas flow easily, and you are ready to take initiative at work. Your boldness will be appreciated by colleagues and supervisors alike. Overall well-being, keep your energy levels high by staying active. A brisk walk or light workout will help you maintain focus and feel rejuvenated. Advice: be courageous in love and career. Today is a day for taking action and embracing new possibilities. Taurus, 26th October 2024. Love, passion may take center stage today. If you are in a relationship, the chemistry between you and your partner will be strong, so plan a romantic date. Singles may feel drawn to someone magnetic and exciting, and it could lead to a memorable encounter. Career, be cautious of taking on too many tasks at once. While you are feeling driven, spreading yourself too thin could lead to burnout. Prioritize what's most important and focus your efforts. Overall well-being, you may be feeling more energetic today, but be sure to find time to rest. Too much excitement without relaxation could leave you feeling drained by the end of the day. Advice: focus your energy wisely today, balancing passion with practicality to maintain your well-being and productivity. Gemini, 26th October 2024. Love, the energy today is perfect for strengthening emotional connections. If you are in a relationship, plan some quality time with your partner that allows for deeper bonding. Singles may find themselves attracted to someone with whom they can share intellectual conversations. Career, you'll be in a problem-solving mode, and others may come to you for advice. Your natural curiosity and intelligence will be your best assets, and your solutions will impress those around you. Overall well-being, today, you may feel mentally stimulated, but make sure to pace yourself. Avoid overloading your schedule with too many tasks, take time to rest and recharge. Advice: focus on meaningful connections, whether in love or in your work life. Let your natural curiosity guide you, but remember to balance that energy with moments of rest. Cancer, 26th October 2024. Love, today is all about deepening emotional connections. If you are in a relationship, your partner may open up to you about something important. Singles may find themselves drawn to someone who shares their emotional depth. This is a great day for intimate conversations. Career, you'll feel more intuitive than usual, which will help you make smart career decisions. Trust your gut when it comes to work-related matters, especially if something feels off. Your instincts will guide you to the right path. Overall well-being, you are feeling emotionally strong today, which will reflect in your overall well-being. Take some time to relax and enjoy the peace you've cultivated. Advice: trust your intuition today, it will guide you in both love and career matters. Deep emotional connections will bring you fulfillment, so don't be afraid to open up and share your thoughts. Leo, 26th October 2024. Love, today is a day to nurture your relationships. If you are in a partnership, show your appreciation with small, heartfelt gestures. Singles should focus on strengthening bonds with close friends and family, which can provide a strong foundation for future romance. Career, today is a good day for planning and setting goals. You are feeling organized and determined, making it an ideal time to focus on long-term projects. Work on developing strategies for success that will benefit you in the future. Overall well-being, you feel stable and grounded today. Your emotional and physical well-being are in sync, making this a perfect day to recharge and enjoy the peace you've cultivated. Advice: focus on long-term goals and maintain your inner peace. Taking the time to nurture your personal and professional life today will pay off in the future. Virgo, 26th October 2024. Love, you may feel more focused on building a stable future with your partner. Whether it's discussing long-term goals or handling practical matters together, your shared vision will bring you closer. Singles may feel drawn to someone who shares similar values and ambitions. Career, today is a great day for long-term planning. If you've been thinking about your career path, take some time to set specific goals and outline the steps you need to achieve them. This sense of purpose will help you stay motivated. Overall well-being, you are feeling productive and goal-oriented, which contributes to a sense of personal satisfaction. However, don't forget to take breaks and give your mind a rest when needed. Advice: focus on future planning, both in your personal and professional life. Laying a solid foundation now will bring you lasting results. Libra, 26th October 2024. Love, romance is in the air. Whether you are planning a special date with your partner or meeting someone new, today's energy supports intimacy and emotional connection. Let your natural charm shine through. Career, it's a good day for collaboration. You'll find that working with others is not only productive but also inspiring. Your ability to bring people together will make any team project a success. Overall well-being, you are feeling emotionally fulfilled today, which boosts your overall well-being. Physical energy might be lower, so don't push yourself too hard, allow yourself time to rest. Advice: enjoy the emotional connection in your relationships today and use your social skills to foster harmony in group settings. Don't forget to take time for self-care too. Scorpio, 26th October 2024. Love, today brings a fresh sense of excitement in your love life. If you are in a relationship, consider planning a spontaneous date or adventure with your partner. Singles may meet someone who sparks curiosity and excitement in unexpected ways. Career, creativity is key today. If you've been stuck in a routine, now is the time to break free and explore new approaches to your tasks. Colleagues will appreciate your innovative ideas and willingness to take risks. Overall well-being, your energy is high, but it's important to balance this with some grounding activities. Try spending time in nature or practicing mindfulness to keep yourself centered. Advice: embrace spontaneity and creativity today. Take calculated risks in both your personal and professional life. You'll be rewarded with excitement and new opportunities. Sagittarius, 26th October 2024. Love, today, focus on the lighter side of relationships. Plan a fun outing or a playful activity with your partner to bring joy and laughter. If single, engaging in social activities could lead to delightful encounters. Career, you are likely to receive recognition for your contributions at work today. Your hard work and dedication haven't gone unnoticed, so don't hesitate to showcase your achievements. Overall well-being, physically, you are feeling vibrant, but be mindful not to overextend yourself. Balance your energetic pursuits with relaxation to avoid burnout. Advice: celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. Keep a light-hearted attitude, and remember that enjoying the moment is just as important as working hard. Capricorn, 26th October 2024. Love, it's a great day for romance. Plan a special outing or a surprise for your partner to rekindle the spark. If you are single, be open to invitations. Social activities could lead to unexpected connections. Career, you may feel inspired to take on new challenges at work. This is a good time to pitch your innovative ideas or propose new projects. Your colleagues will appreciate your enthusiasm and leadership. Overall well-being, your energy levels are high today. Channel this vitality into activities that make you happy. Spending time in nature or with loved ones can uplift your spirit. Advice: embrace new opportunities in love and career. Your willingness to take risks today could lead to rewarding experiences. Aquarius, 26th October 2024. Love, connection and understanding are key today. Take the time to listen to your partner's needs and share your own. If you are single, showing genuine interest in others will attract potential romantic partners. Career, today may present a chance to take on new responsibilities at work. Embrace these opportunities, as they could pave the way for future advancements. Your willingness to step up will not go unnoticed. Overall well-being, focus on relaxation today. Engage in activities that help you unwind, whether it's spending time with loved ones or indulging in self-care rituals. Advice: foster open communication in love and be ready to embrace new opportunities at work. Pisces, 26th October 2024. Love, today calls for a deep, meaningful conversation. Share your feelings and listen to your partner's needs. If you are single, engaging in authentic discussions with potential partners will enhance your connections. Career, you may be recognized for your hard work today. Keep your eyes open for opportunities for advancement or new responsibilities. Your dedication will be rewarded. Overall well-being, focus on balancing your emotions. Engage in calming activities like meditation or gentle yoga to help maintain your inner peace. Advice: foster communication in your relationships and be ready to embrace recognition in your career.